A very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have gathered here at AMS facility in Namma, Bengaluru. We have with us Mr. Muralidhara Rao. Mr. Muralidhara Rao, can you let us know what you are doing at this facility? And thank you for giving us time today.
Uh, Good afternoon, Dinesh, my best friend and my soulmate, I can say. Welcome to this green campus of ADL MCD AMS in Peenya. On this 10-acre plot, we have given space for the nature. The very important is we live as per the nature's law. When I say that we live as per the nature's law and never exploit anything, the resources given by the nature. We have planted more than 1,500 trees here in this particular campus since 2008. I don't know how many of us are aware, one tree is giving an oxygen for 2 to 4 people for the whole year. And today, the 99% of our air is polluted. We are living in a pollution of 99%, and as per the WHO standard, 37% is beyond the WHO limit of the air pollution and the matter and the particle. These trees, this plantation, they don't take away anything for themselves. They live as per the nature's law, selflessly they're leading the life. But we human beings are exploiting this nature, be it water, be it air, or be it energy, we are over consuming. The less is more should be the philosophy for our life. Let us bring the concept of reusing and recycling, which can make our environment more sustainable for the future. We all carry the responsibility of taking care of this nature, which has given everything for us selflessly. I request every one of us to be a part of this great initiative, find a place and the ways and means to put at least one plant today, and also not only today, on a yearly basis. Whenever there is a good occasion, just go and put one plant, and that is going to take care. Anybody who has taken care of the nature, that is the larger purpose of our existence on this earth. The Almighty always takes care of us, all of us. And this is my firm belief. I'm happy to be a part of this particular event and communicating the importance of being friendly with the nature. Let us care for these natural resources which have been given free of cost by the Almighty to us. Let us preserve it as much as we have enjoyed in our life. We also carry the responsibility of leaving something behind us for the generation next. Happy Environment Day, and the theme of this year is the plastic. I was surprised to note every day 2,000 truckloads of the plastics have been dumped to this Mother Earth. Is this our responsibility? Is the question mark. Can we stop using all the plastics? Let that be the motto. Go back and check in every home front how much of the plastic that we are using and we are spoiling, and this Mother Earth. Let us take care of our nature, the Mother Earth which has given everything for us. It's so important. Environment, and the environment which takes care of us in the brighter spirit. And this is what we can leave the legacy for the future generation. Thank you so much for this great opportunity, Dinesh. And let us celebrate.